We're recording. Okay, let me try that again. Happy Hmong New Year. This is Long Her. I've started a new YouTube channel. Please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe. I have an important announcement to share with all of you. The following message is for all friends, family, but especially fans of Paradise. Today's post is bittersweet for me. It's filled with sadness, some joy, and a whole lot of nostalgia. I am coming forward and making it public that I've decided to step away from Paradise. It, bar none, is one of the most difficult decisions that I've had to make in life, without a doubt. Paradise is family, both in the figurative and literal sense. The bandmates literally are my brother-in-laws. Phong, Ko, Hajé, Donnie, Nathan. My reasons for leaving, that's another story for another day. Since joining at 15, they've been the people that I spent my weekends, holidays, summers, winters, and Hmong New Year with. With the exception of Phong, of all the members, I think that I've been the member that has been in the band in terms of length for the longest, in terms of continuity. I never left, never came, never went. I just went huge long term. And I wanted to sincerely express to the guys that, I unquestionably love these guys, their family and friends. I wouldn't be who I am today without them. I wish them the best in all future Paradise endeavors, and they have my blessings and support, and I want to make that known. I wasn't sure how I was going to pay tribute to the band, but fate has its way. So this week I was searching for family pictures and videos in old hard drives, and to my surprise, I found old Paradise videos, not too old in fact, but I thought these videos were lost. I had somehow saved them and I couldn't find them anymore. They had actually been misfiled and were viewable only by numerical file names. With all this COVID madness and cancellation of Hmong New Year's, which is evident now across the whole entire United States, I was thinking, and I decided to make my first post on this channel about Paradise, both as a sweet parting gift to fans and friends, but then also to bandmates of old, Phong, Ko, Hajé, Donnie, Nathan, but also for people that were very significant in terms of Paradise, specifically Derek, Nail, April, and you'll see even a little bit of Sina in this video if you look carefully. All these people impacted who I am today, and when I found these videos, they brought a smile to my face. I hope it also does the same to you guys. This is what Paradise was doing more or less 3 years ago, and I do believe that Paradise is one, if not the hardest working Hmong band that I know. These videos will kind of show forth why I believe that. Again, if not for happenstance and accidental finding, these videos from my private collection probably would not even see the light of day. I see it as something that was meant to be, and I couldn't think of any better way to share them than now with everyone. I do apologize in advance, as these videos are completely more or less unedited, and they're what they are. They're a little crude, they're gritty, but I do hope that these videos kind of bring you the sense of, as we would say, the spirit and magic of Hmong New Year parties. So again, Nyob Zoo Xyoo Tshiab, blessings in 2021 to everybody. Again, during the course of these next couple of days until probably the 1st of January, the new year, I will be posting videos, a continuation of videos. You'll see what I mean. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video, And if you get a chance, please do like, share, and subscribe. I do have some interesting content coming up with some interesting announcements. So again, Happy New Year and stay in touch. Alright guys, what are we doing?
We're setting up right now.
What time is it and what's the date?
It's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Setting up for paradise.
Setting up all vehicles right now. So, all the drums. Some of the drums.
This is what paradise does Christmas morning. So that y'all can have a gift on the 26th.
Yeah.
Little stage setup. Everyone's getting ready. Alright. December 25th. On the lights. Sign up for the concert. Alright, I hope you liked that video. That's the very first part. There is a whole lot more interesting stuff coming. If you want to see the world of paradise, these next couple of days will be interesting. Do me a huge favor. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next part of these videos.